We talk about how can you fix this problem on your Teacher app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Teacher app, or just click on search. Then here at Teacher app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on first stop. Then you click here on OK. So that you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store, click on it. Then you search for Tutor app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.